Hi everyone, my name is John and I live in the Netherlands, and I'm the proud owner of a Tesla Model 3. My car was delivered in end of June 27th. I love the car and I decided to order a Hansshow Frunk and Trunk automatic kit. My first plan was to install the Frunk kit, and then I soon realized I ran into a problem. I realized that the actuator is too long and I was not able to close the trunk all the way down to where it would get latched and then pulled gently down for the final closing. I tried to see if I could reduce the length of the actuator without taking it apart, and I soon realized I didn't want to damage anything. But then I took a closer look here at the brackets on both sides that go onto the door. That these bolts, they seem to be fitted in a way that I'm sure Tesla will not be able to fit these bolts always in the same location. So some of you might have a different result from what I had. So my way around this was to take out both of the brackets, and I realized that one of these, I think the lower hole was oval and the top hole was round. So I figured that I had to move the bracket up that way, therefore compensating for the length of the actuator. So I put this on my vise and I carefully filed down this top part on the left and the other part on the right, so that I could move both of them, both of the brackets up. I then proceeded to using a marker so I could see the relationship before I began, and then this is how much I was able to move it by. So that's about maybe 3-4 mil, and that was enough to solve my problem. I also played around with the adjustment here underneath. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay, I played around with this adjustment, these two bolts, and that was a mistake because I could latch onto the hood, but then it was not flush with the rest of the body, so I had to put it back in the original position. So I think by removing carefully these brackets on both sides, be careful not to drop the hood, because there will not be any support. So I recommend you do one by one and then see if that works for you. And if it doesn't work, you have to keep going to see if you can push the brackets up a little bit. That should be enough to solve this problem of the actuator being too long for certain hoods. I think consistency in measurements of these cars is not the best, so we have to adapt. So anyway, good luck with that, and if you need any more clarification, just leave me a comment and then I'll be glad to help you. Okay, bye for now.